What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about ACS Access Protocol, which has pumped up nearly 30% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just below 0.003 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it a crypto to buy right now? Is it too late? Have we missed the boat? Or on the other hand, if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, and so on? So essentially, we are going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high and how low this crypto is likely to go, and is there crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 0.08%, nothing major, and we do have Access as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So zooming into the hourly chart, we can clearly see it has dropped just about a percentage in the last 24 hours. The last hour. In the last 24 hours, it has pumped up nearly 30%. It did hit up about 36% earlier this morning, took a little drop, and right now pumping again. Over the week, 40%, and over the month, just about 1%, guys. As you can see, major drops here for most of July. All the way down here has dropped over 30% in value, and then right now it is slowly starting to pump up in value, but overall it is more or less neutral. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 300%, making it $12.5 million, which is a huge percentage increase. Again, only reason it's gone up so much is because of the attention is getting at the moment. Is one of the top gainers. We're going to see a lot more people trading the crypto right now, more buyers, more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Access Protocol, which is here in purple at 0.002188 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in red at 0.002830 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and so is the orange line as well. So essentially, we've got both the lines going in a negative direction, looking a little bit bearish, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Access Protocol over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting this crypto to have gone for an overall minimal drop in value, potentially dropping down to about 0.0024 to 0.0025 cents is where I'm expecting ACS to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. But again, that doesn't mean it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course, it's likely to pump up a little bit higher, potentially even hitting the 0.003 cents before it slowly starts to drop back down in value later on this evening to tomorrow morning. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking quite steep, very bullish, going in a positive direction. However, as mentioned plenty of times, whenever you see the MACD indicator looking this steep, that means it's not realistic, and the exact same applies here. Over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the beginning of next week, I am expecting Access Protocol to have once again gone through an overall drop in value, and at this point I'm expecting it to drop down to about 0.002 cents in target by the end of this week and early next week as well. So once again, do expect an overall drop in value from Access Protocol over the next week or so. But again, That doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit green days in between as well. It's likely to be volatile up and down, just like how it's been over the last week, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we're not looking steep anymore, but we've still got the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So guys, in this case, it is expected that we should expect an overall increase in value from Access Protocol over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So early to mid-October 2023, I'm expecting Access Protocol to be heading towards the 1 cent target. Again, I'm not saying it's going to hit 1 cent, but potentially heading up to 0.008 to 0.009 cents is where I'm expecting Access Protocol to be trading at in October. And potentially towards the end of November to December time, we should be hitting the 1 cent target, depending on how the crypto market performs, as I am expecting the crypto market to be moving towards the positive direction for the rest of the year, which also includes Bitcoin heading over to $35,000. But again, it is cryptocurrency, guys. If there are any major updates or major news that can have a potential impact on the value of Access Protocol, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Access Protocol over the long term, but for the short term, as mentioned, I am expecting it to drop back down in value. Now, bringing on the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long wait for us to hit the green zone, meaning we're going to have to hit at least about the 1 cent target, which, as I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to hit over the next 4 to 5 months, so towards the end of the year. So we should essentially break out from the red zone into the green zone towards the end of the year, but it is likely it's going to resist here, try and drop back down into the red zone. But yeah, according to my current prediction, we should be trading in the green zone towards the end of the year. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on ACS, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2023. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.